Hi, welcome back to Jeddah. In today's video I'm going to explore Baik. I have now been to Saudi Arabia a few times and I've never had Baik. Imagine. So this cardinal sin is going to be erased from my record as of today, and I'm going to go for Baik, which is the most famous fast food chain that is native to Saudi Arabia. They are said to have tremendously good chicken, and I'm going to try that out now. Let's see what's in store for me at Baik. So I'm now at the Baik on Palestine Road, and we're going to check that out now. Let's have a look. And I have no idea what I'm going to order, but we'll find out. Okay, so I'd like to get the 4-piece chicken meal. Yeah. And falafel nuggets. And something to drink.
Chicken is spicy regular.
What is better?
Spicy.
Spicy is better. Okay, I'll take the spicy.
Falafel.
Falafel, yes.
Spicy, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, make it spicy too.
It's spicy.
And the Pepsi. Yeah. 15 minutes. That's it. All right. How much is that?
26.50.
Okay, so I have to wait for 15 minutes. I took now some chicken, 4-piece meal. I think that comes with fries. And I also took some falafel. I believe they're both the spicy version, so I hope that's the right choice. And we'll see. It's going to take 15 minutes, so I'll have to wait here. So they do have their own Baik Pepsi, which is pretty impressive. Can I sit over there? Let's first test the fries. They're okay, but they're lacking a little bit of salt. There's a bun, tahini sauce, and a little ketchup. On my falafels. That's an interesting falafel shape. Check this out. We're gonna try the falafel first with the tahini sauce. It's a very nice. They have a funny shape, kind of a rectangular shape, boxy, but the taste is very nice. It's mild with a crunchy exterior. The interior is kind of smooshy and soft, and the exterior has a crunchy panade in there. And it goes very well together with the tahini sauce. So that's definitely a success. And I think there's about 10 of these in a box. I'm going to keep the bun for later because I don't feel like eating more bread right now. I'm digging those fries. I'm sorry, but I do think the fries lack some salt. They're a little bit too bland, a little bit too thin. The consistency is fine. The consistency reminds me of McDonald's fries, but they're not entirely fresh, and definitely missing some seasoning, some salt. With a bit of ketchup, we apply ketchup, that will do. That does a trick. If it doesn't work, you always add ketchup. It's an old fast food trick. But I should now get into the main reason why I came here, which is of course the chicken. And here they come with garlic sauce. So that's the garlic sauce, and there's also nugget sauce, which is red. I'm gonna try both, but check out the chicken. Let's go for the chicken. And I'm gonna dip that. No, actually, I'm gonna eat it first without the sauce. And that's very good chicken. Look how steamy hot that is. I did choose the spicy version of the chicken, and it has a bit of a zest to it, but not too bad. It's not super spicy, but just the right amount of spice. And the exterior is crunchy, and the interior is cooked to perfection. That's very good chicken. Can you see how that is steaming hot? That is definitely good chicken. Very yummy. So to be honest, I don't think this chicken needs any sauces, but I'm gonna try a second piece now with sauce. Another yummy piece here. I'm gonna try first the garlic sauce. I think it works. I don't think the garlic sauce is necessarily really needed. I think the chicken just by itself has enough flavor that the garlic sauce is almost overpowering the nice chicken flavor. I prefer it without the sauce. I'm now going to give it a try for the red sauce, that's nugget sauce. I don't know what that is. It's interesting. It's a little bit of a sweet sauce. Maybe kind of a sweet and sour sauce. I don't know. Let's give it another shot with this large chicken thing here. Yeah, I think that's sweet and sour sauce. Works quite well with the chicken. To be honest, I prefer it to the garlic sauce, but that's maybe because I'm not a big fan of garlic sauce to begin with. But I remain with my verdict that I don't think this chicken needs any sauce. It's just good without any sauce. Very yummy and flavorful. The chicken almost melts in your mouth. It's so tender. Now, I don't have anything directly to compare it with, but from my memory, if I compare this to KFC, for example, I think this is better. And the reason is because the flavor of the chicken is just much more intense. I like how the chicken is so tender and soft inside. I don't remember it to be that soft in the KFC in the US. And that's maybe because the chicken here in Saudi Arabia might be just better. So if I had to make a comparison, I would say the Baik chicken is definitely more flavorful. So I would highly recommend you check that out when you're here in Saudi Arabia. The first Baik was opened in Jeddah in 1974, and since then the store turned into a pretty significant chain, the most important fast food chain in Saudi Arabia. They now, just in Jeddah alone, they have 40 branches and brand name stores, and the brand name is registered in 80 countries. Their international expansion is still really recent. I think they only expanded 2 years ago, in 2020, when they opened 2 branches in Bahrain. So what's my verdict? The chicken, for me, gets an A+. No question. Best chicken I had in a long time. Chicken roast. Super yummy. The fries, on the contrary, not my favorite. I eat them, especially with sauce or ketchup. They're just not that flavorful to me. The falafel are great. Have I had better falafel? Probably. But the combination of the falafel with the Baik tahini sauce is just a very nice combination. So I give this an A-. So overall, should you come and eat at Baik when you're in Saudi Arabia? In my view, absolutely yes. That's a must try. And I'm surprised that this is my first time I'm at Baik. I should have come here much earlier, and I'm glad I did now. So it's never too late for a new experience, and that's mine. So with this, I'm going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed. What should we eat at Baik? If you got a taste of it, go check it out and head to your next Baik location in Saudi Arabia, and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. What's your favorite dish at Baik, and are there other better chicken that you can find here in the country? And check out my other videos on beautiful Saudi Arabia. There's lots of food to try and many great places to discover. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.